Okay, so in this video I'll just show you the F61 intermittent fault again. Now this is a boiler I serviced, so you will notice in the fault history here you've got F32, which is fan fault, and F29, which is flame failure. That's just me checking the FFD, but as you see, look, that was reading 19 degrees there. Now it's up to 60. We're going to the fault history, and so basically I've done a service. The woman complained that there was an intermittent fault. You go in the fault history, and here we go. F61, F61, all F61s. When I first checked, when I arrived, all 10 were F61, which is, in my experience, has always been the PCB. And this is the telltale sign that you're correct, is when this temperature on the display is jumping around like this. Now, as you can see, it's jumping 10 degrees there. Now, this will eventually start doing some F70 fault codes as well. I can't remember which. But basically, if you see this, if you see a display jumping around like this, it's the PCB. Okay, it's the low voltage side of the PCB is failing. Change it and it'll be good as gold.